All right, we're back. We're going to touch upon a concept very quickly, very briefly, and it's one we've already touched on before, the idea of a self-concept and self-image. Again, these were somewhat related to the work of Carl Rogers, who spoke about the fact that we have an image, self-image. How do I view myself? I have consciousness of myself. And in one's personality, it's quite important to understand that my personality will be related to my self-image, my self-concept. The fact that there is also a sense of unchanging characteristics within me. So does a trait change over time? Does my self-concept adjust over time? Or do I basically stay the same? Do I adjust based on my environment? Maybe in one scenario or with one group of friends, I'm loud and I'm outgoing and I'm comfortable, but then when I'm in class, I'm quiet and I'm demure and I don't raise my hand. So I'm different based on where I am, but generally speaking, I can say my characteristics are fairly stable. My self-concept is also influenced by my social, physical, and psychological surroundings. And so all of these factors contribute to the self-concept. Self-esteem is the extent to which I accept or approve of myself. So I have my concept of myself. This is who I know myself to be. But then there's the question of, do I like myself? Do I feel like I have a sense of worthiness and a sense of self-esteem? And do I value myself? And you, I'm sure, can all relate to this. At home, you know how you feel about yourself, and you know how you want to project yourself to other people. And how much do other people's reactions to you matter? Do you compare yourself to other people? Who do you identify with in your family? Maybe you identify with an older sibling or one parent over another. Think about it. When you go to the school lunchroom, which group of people do you sit down with? Who do you like to have lunch with? Are they people who are all like you, or are they very different than you? Do they all share something in common, like being athletes or artists or into technology? What is it that identifies your value, your self-worth, your self-concept, and ultimately, how does that create your sense of self and your self-esteem? So these are two very brief concepts that are fused in with the talk of personality, and I'm sure those were very easily to relate to personally. We have just one more concept to get to right after this break.